So now, guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day, right, on our AUDUSD FEBUARY. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on every single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the section. Now, guys, take a look at this movement. Okay? I told you guys clearly that market will reject from the zone and it will give us a bullish move. And this is exactly what market did. Because market eventually gave us a bullish move that we predicted it to us. Now, guys, if you have not subscribed to the membership program, to the YouTube membership, right, which is the YouTube membership program, right, I think you should best actually subscribe because here we are going to be giving you guys an exclusive update. Not only would you be getting an exclusive update, you'll be able to go live with us. So definitely, if you do not want to miss out on any of this and you would want to learn more and grab more knowledge, right, it's very simple. Subscribe to the membership on the YouTube membership. Now, in this moment right here, guys, we will be expecting AUDUSD to continue to give us that bullish move, right? So we will continue the bullish move to the upside. That is exactly what we'll be expecting on our AUDUSD. Now, take a look at this moment right here, guys. So this will be seen as the first high. And here comes the higher low. Now, markets will be able to give us a new high, right? And here comes the higher low. Now, markets then will eventually push up again to form a new high. And here comes the higher low. Now we will be expecting market to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? This is the higher low. Now our next movement on AUD should give us a bullish move that should form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So a continuous bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our AUD. So guys, go in for the buy on AUD. So a bullish move is what we will be expecting on our AUD right? Now, take a look at this movement right here. This is our first high that market did give us. Then here comes the higher low. Now, market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. And here comes the higher low, right? Now, market then eventually push up again to form a new higher high. So you can expect market to give you an higher low before it eventually push up again to form a new high. So above all, a bullish move, what we are going to be expecting on our audio. So guys, going in for the buy, you're anticipating for a buy, right? You're going in for the bullish move. That is what we'll be expecting. Now, more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So, in order for you not to miss out on it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share. Also, make sure you follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.